How to request missing rapid rewards points in Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website. After you're in the website, click on My Account at the top right. After you click on My Account at the top right, you will find this kind of screen. Here, you'll find Trips at the top. Click on Trips. After you click on Trips at the top, scroll down and click on Past. You'll find all your past trips. You can simply click on the past trip you want to request points of. Then you'll find Request Points option. Simply click on it. Enter your flight details. If it asks you, then submit request. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to request missing rapid rewards points in Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.